Hi, my name is Sydney. I'm the in-house designer for Renovation Floorings Inlet Beach location, and I'm going to talk to you about Anderson Tuftex and their carpet. You can do wall-to-wall carpeting with this product, or you can just do it as a custom area rug. And they've got two different materials. You're going to have an Anso PET yarn, which is going to be recycled polyester. It's very durable. It's snag resistant to pet claws. It's stain resistant, spill resistant. It's got a nice backing to it, so it won't soak all the way through if you spill water or red wine on it. It's very durable. They've got some really amazing patterns and colors. They've got some really nice neutrals, and they've also got some colors. And we've also got 100% natural wool. And they have this really pretty blue. And again, they have a lot of different patterns. They have some solid colors, all low pile for both of these, which is really nice. And they have this very special machine that creates custom designs, and I'll show you those shortly. But like I said, you've got your recycled polyester yarn, and then you've got 100% wool, which is just a really nice refined product. It's going to be eco-friendly as well. They also have an amazing display table showcasing all of their colors and patterns in both the wool and the Anso PET. This is that design I was telling you about that is made with a special machine. It's got a bunch of different textures. It's got some depth. It's got really great patterns. It'd be perfect for an area rug. This is some more wool and a braided texture, so it's got a really nice natural look to it. They've just got amazing colors and patterns. They have this really fun plaid. I think that this product is great for designers who want to put something fun and different in their client's home. So come on in to our Inlet Beach showroom to check out Anderson Tuftex's beautiful display.